Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how delete operation performs. But first of all, I'm going to tell you for insert operation, it is big O N operation. For inserting n elements, it will take big O of n steps. For traversing n elements, it will also take big O of n step in most case. And deletion operation, for deletion, in best case it is of constant time operation, means if we want to delete the last element, we don't have to do shifting. We will see in this video. And in worst case this is also big O an operation. Okay. O an operation. I'm going to show you how the code works. First of all, for deletion operation, uh, we have to pass integer array pointer, and this is data element. We have to pass data element, and we will initialize a loop control variable, and this is pause variable. We have initialized it by -1. I'm going to show you how deletion happens. For deletion, we have to pass array, and we have to pass the element, not index. We have to pass the element, data element. If we want to delete here the element number 4, uh, element 4, which is at third index, we have to pass array comma 4. And if we want to delete this 4 element, we just shift all the elements, means all the elements, we have all the elements to the right of the data element. Right of the data element is only one element, which is 5. We will shift 5 by one position to the left. Guys, note that in insertion we were shifting all the left element to the right, and here we are shifting to the left because we have to fill the gap. If we delete this 4 element, there will be a gap, and we have to filling this gap, we have to shift all the elements. What we gonna do? We shift by one position. As you can see that I am shifting, I'm just deleting it, and this is same happening in array data structure. This same happens in array data structure. We just delete it, and we have to uh, fill the gap. In filling the gap, the size initially size will be decreased. Initially size was 5, and now size becomes 4, and the last will be, the last element will be of 0, means null. We don't have to write, just we decrease the size. Okay, let me show you in the code how code is written. I've written it before for you, and we having this is loop control variable, this is position variable, which I have initialized by -1. And first of all, we search for the data element. If the data element is found at the certain position, means ith position, we will break, we will come out from the loop, and we save the position. We save the ith location in the position variable. We will put the position, suppose it is found at 5th location, element found at 5th location, 5 will be inserted in the pos variable. Okay, in case element is not found in the array, we have to delete, and we given input to delete function an element which is not present in the array. What we gonna do? We will go, and this condition will never be executed. We will move n times, and we come out from the loop, and we have pause value -1. If pos value is -1, we print a message element is not present in the array and return. We will return from the function. If element is present in the array, this condition will not be executed. This will be false, and we will come in the loop and we will shift the the position +1 element to the left as position 1 as the position element, means we shift fifth element to the fourth, and fourth element to the third, and third element to the second, and second to the first. We will shift all the elements by one space to the left, okay, and we decrease the size by 1. Guys, note that this is Boolean operation. We have to move, we have to execute these statements. We have to check all this condition every time, either is false or not. Suppose we have a array of size 10, we will execute this block 10 times, okay. If element present, in best case, if element present at 0th or 1th location, we will it will break from the loop, and this block will be executed one or two times if element at present at first or second location. If element present at last location, this block will be executed n times, okay. And this statement will be executed, and here this loop is shifting all the elements. In best case, if, what is the best case? If we want to delete the last element, we don't have to do shifting. We just, you can see, guys, you can see here, if we want to delete 5, we don't have to do shifting, because there is no element to the right of 5, okay. This is the best case, and this loop will be will not be executed, okay. We don't, because we don't have to we don't need to do shifting. This loop is for shifting, only shifting, not for deletion. Of course, deletion, for the deletion, shifting is important, but for deletion of lost element, we just decrease the size by 1, and all works done here, okay. And what if we have to delete the first element here? If we want to delete, so if we want to we want to delete the first element, we have to shift all the elements to the left, okay. In this case, we execute these statements n times. Total, the deletion is Boolean operation. We have to work, we have to execute all the statement n times. If we calculate the complexity of deletion function, it is of Boolean, okay. Let me show you by running the code. Here we traverse before, after inserting the elements, and when we delete 988, which is at 5th location, and after the deletion, the traverse will be done, okay. Let me show you here. After the deletion, here you can see we have 0 to 7th, we have elements from 0 to 7th indexes, means total we have size of 8. Here indexes are 0 to 6, means total we have size of 7. Size becomes less, okay, size is decremented, and this is 988 element. We have to delete. After deletion, it is deleted, 988 was on 6th location, on 6th index. On 6th index, this is 500. Okay, means we have shifted. You can see we have shifted all the elements. I'm going to show you another. Just I'm going to show you, if we have to delete 100, what going to happen. You can see previously size was 8 and this is size is 6, and 100 was at first index, and we have shifted all the elements. 100 is deleted and we have shifted all the elements. 500 is shifted at this position and 900 is shifted at this, so on. Each element is shifted by 1 to the upper, means 1 to the left side. Okay, this is how deletion performs. If we want to delete an element that is not present in the array, let me show you. This happens. Element not present in the array. Here size is same in both the cases, means we don't, element is not deleted because element is not present in the array. Hope you understand the concept of array. We have covered traverse. We have covered 3 operations: insert, traverse, and delete. In delete operation, we did search operation also. This is a search operation. You can perform it in separate function. Guys, use pen and paper to write the whole code and see what happens by giving uh, all function. Suppose insert function give different types of inputs and see what happens. In delete operation, delete all the elements and see what happens. Use first use I want to tell you that first use pen and paper. First write the code on pen and paper, after that write it on your system. Okay, hope you understand all the concept of array data structure, and keep learning guys. Happy coding. Thanks for watching.